Attention, everybody. Barely Monday, and sellers and shorts are capitalizing on, I believe, some words coming from SEC Chairman Gary Gensler regarding the XRP decision we had last week. And after I tell you the breaking news occurring today, it's all gonna make more sense. Binance officially integrates Bitcoin Lightning Network. That's really good. India signs a trade agreement with United Arab Emirates in Indian rupees, ditching the US dollar, de-dollarization. We knew what's going to happen by Bitcoin. Elizabeth Warren, head of the anti-crypto army, is wanting to get the SEC to have an investigation too and against Elon Musk because of tweeting. Can't believe it. And I think one that a lot of people are kind of like, really, dude. Gary Gensler says that it's disappointing, right? What the judge said last week, barely making some official claims today in a conversation live. And you're seeing, to top it all off, some of the prices of crypto right now going down, Bitcoin under $30,000. And I want to show you the macro because that's key. Check this out. Bitcoin for many times has been at this level since June 2023 after it pumped. So it's been about a month that it's been in a consolidation in $30,000 and a few times touching but immediately coming back. So what is the price that I think could be the bottom? So that's the nice support. It's right here, $27,000. Let me tell you the full story. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing. Take a look at the links down below and welcome Oscar Ramos in the house. Really excited, because there's a lot going on. And I mean, it's Monday. Hard to beat last week with those amazing news from XRP, but you and I know we have hope. Now, it's right here. I think it's always good when, the largest exchange does this. It just brings everybody together, and Bitcoin much needs it. So good stuff. I saw it yesterday at close to midnight. Well, obviously, it's great stuff. Now, India settled trade, agreements with United Arab Emirates when it comes to more trade, more opportunities. Not using the dollar is also important for them, and it speaks volumes because India is part of BRICS. It's going to be part of BRICS, right? Brazil, Russia, India, and so on, China, and so on. So obviously, using the BRICS currency that they're trying to propose, less usage of a dollar. The United States has to step it up or bring something immediately as soon as possible. So obviously, I mean, it's just bothersome for them. Then we have Elizabeth Warren. What is she trying to do now? Senator requests as investigation into Elon Musk Tesla over Twitter, tweets, lies, alleging misappropriation of assets and conflict of interest. Probably she has nothing better to do. I don't know what's going on with her. And last but not least, right now on this one's Justin SEC Chair Gary Gensler says it's disappointed the court ruled XRP not a security. And I got for you, fam, this one, which is a video swirling right now on Twitter and everywhere, basically, where he has a conversation and he says, that he referred as the court ruling as an option, basically like he's implying that the SEC has more power than the law. And well, not surprisingly, the SEC still thinks that they make the law and are above the law. We are looking into so many different things because the Hinman documents already prove it from back then in 2018 and more that they really oftentimes don't know what they're doing, especially with Ethereum, with some commodities, with some securities. And Bitcoin is safe right now from the SEC, but the rest of the altcoins still is under scrutiny. And, there's no clarity. And that's what we're fighting for. With the win that we got last week, the idea is that finally he admits defeat. He's not admitting defeat. That is concerning because basically, let's go back to Bitcoin. This is why, in my opinion, is bringing some of the prices down. Like I said, let's go ahead to the 1 day. I think this is a little bit better. Roughly 6% down from the highest price in 2023. Guys, $31,000, almost $32,000 last week. The highest in 2023, but less than 72 hours, right? Things change and boom, that's it. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 days, right? Give or take. And that's it. The price is back under 20, $30,000. And will the price keep dropping to 27, 20 something thousand dollars? Well, that is the bottom of the price channel that I have for us, everybody, right? This is, in my opinion, a good price to kind of figure it out if there's an opportunity, for buying so you can make a good trading position. This is the price of Bitcoin right now at $29,000. There's a lot up that we have to go through, fam. With all of this news, I think the only relevant information that is making the price of Bitcoin go down is this one. Gary Gensler. Some people that are very into what they say, the SEC says, are not liking this. Why? We have to say it, right? We might not agree with it. I don't agree with it. But what if the decision is not strong enough to prevail and XRP once again is considered a security? We know there are two things very differently. The judge said when XRP was sold or issued to institutions, it's a security. But when it's not, and it's to retail, it is not a security. So that on its own, it's a very important difference. But what if things change? Obviously, prices will come down because we're still not being able to defeat this guy who is trying to really take over the entire crypto space, as he has said in the past. I mean, just take a look at it. 1.30, 1.40, I believe we were last week. Now under 1.20 once again. XRP is still winning despite what we're seeing right now, still in the position one over the last 7 days. Let's go to the cryptocurrencies. Red. Not by a lot. That's the good thing. Not by a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this one. Like, not by a lot. From here, I'm going to bring my arrow side, and we're still in the middle. We were kind of close, to the overbought, but not really something happening. And there's my lighting. So what happened today? Bitcoin and prices braced for further upside as they look to extend recent gains. More news, but in reality, it was because of the XRP comment, in my opinion. And some of them, it's just because people made a lot of money and they're not trying to cash out the gains, right? Let me go ahead and come a little bit further. It's been a while and I'm very happy, fam. Let me go ahead and start putting a nice line here. Roughly, there you go. It's been, check this out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, fam, that we have seen prices very close or at this level of $29,000 in the last 30 days. Right here, here's where we started on June 21st when it was really exploding. And it feels like yesterday. Right now is July 17, close to be 1 month, of difference. So we're the highest price, it's been this one right here, 31,800, and we're still back at here. Well, let me tell you something. This price is gonna come 7% in no time, so you better be ready. There you guys have it, everybody. Good insights from Bitcoin so far. Now we know, now you know, you've been updated as far as what's going on. But at the end of the day, more drama, more good crypto drama that is going to be fun. Just enjoy the journey. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Peace.